Hello everybody and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn and say a big hello to our friends on camera?
Hello!
Hello! And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And let's begin by stretching up high. And then down low to our toes. And let's go back up high. And this time, can we go a tippy toe high? And while we're there, have a wave. And then hands on hips. Let's have a wiggle. Stop. Let's have another little wiggle. Stop. Forwards and backwards. Forwards and backwards. Forwards, backwards. Stop. Let's go round and round. Stop. And let's go back round again. Stop. And this time to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent guys, have a seat. So who can remember what we learnt about in the previous math lesson? Capacity, excellent. And how do we spell capacity? C-A-P-A-C-I-T-Y. Now who can tell me, what does capacity mean? Not how much of something, how much something holds. How? H-O-W.
M-U-C-H.
How much something.
S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G.
How much something holds. H-O-L-D-S. Excellent. And then our other words, our other type of measurement.
Volume.
Volume. How do we spell volume?
V-O-L-U-M-E.
And what does volume mean? We've heard it already. How much of something? How much of how much of something? So capacity,
Capacity.
how much?
How much something hold?
Volume,
How much of something?
excellent. So now let's practice these different types of measurements together. I will draw a big bowl.
Big bowl.
This is a bowl, big bowl.
Big bowl.
Who would like to put on? Okay, Prel, come forward. Hand went straight up. Red pen for Prel. Okay, guys, give our friend Prel a capacity. What should the capacity be?
5 liters.
Okay, so where does capacity go?
Top.
At the top, always at the top. Capacity. Capacity.
Capacity.
And how much is the capacity?
5 liters.
5. We'll go with 5 liters. 5. Excellent. 5 liters. Capacity is always where? At the top. Okay, so now let's think about a volume for Prel to write. 2 milliliters is too small. 3. What? 3 liters. Okay. So what's at the bottom? How many liters at the bottom? 0. How many liters at the top? So let's think. Can you estimate where you think the volume will be? Okay, about here is fine, yes? Okay. So you can see the volume is inside the capacity. So how do we write volume again, guys? L-U-M-E. And what's the volume? 3 L. 3 liters. So Prel, can you tell us the capacity, please?
5 liters.
The capacity
The capacity
is 5 liters.
5 liters.
And what is the volume?
Volume.
The volume
Volume
is 3 liters.
3 liters.
Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Prel. Let's do another one with a different container. Let's see, next we will have a, let's see. Bottle. Who would like to work out the capacity and the volume of the bottle? Pakbong, you come and join us at the front. Very keen. Would you like red?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we have a bottle, but at the moment, we don't have a volume and we don't have a capacity. What should the capacity be?
3 liters.
Capacity is 3 liters. So shall we write capacity here?
No, at the top.
Here?
No.
Where? At the top. Capacity will be 3 liters. capacity. And what are we saying the capacity is? 3 liters. Excellent. Very good, Pak Bung. So we know now the capacity of the bottle is how much?
3 liters.
Okay, so can somebody give us a volume? Can the volume be more than 3 liters? No. It has to be 3 liters or under. What shall the volume be? 1 liter. 1 liter. Okay, so let's think. What's at the bottom?
0.
0 liters. So maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yes, I think that's a good estimate. Volume, V-O-L-U-M-E. And where's our volume? Where's our water? We haven't got any water. Okay, so ready, Pak Bung? What is the capacity of the bottle? The capacity of the bottle is
3 liters.
And what is the volume inside the bottle?
The volume
Inside the bottle is 1 liter. Excellent. High five. Round of applause. Round of applause for Pak Bung. Capacity at the top, 3 liters. Volume inside, around 1 liter. Let's do one more. And this time we'll do a small one because we'll do milliliters. So what can we use as a small container? A cup. Okay, we'll use a cup. Is that okay? Does that look like a cup?
Yes.
Who would like to answer this one? Chu. Come and join me at the front of class. Okay, so remember this is a cup, so it's smaller.
100 milliliters.
Okay, I was going to say we're not going to do liters, we're going to do...
Milliliters.
Okay, so can you give our friend Chu an amount for the
Capacity.
cup? What's the cup?
100 milliliters.
Okay, so where does capacity go? At the bottom? Middle? Where?
At the top.
Always at the top. Capacity at the top. So can you write capacity, Chu? You can see the word here. C A P A C I T Y. Capacity. And what are we saying our capacity is?
100 liters.
So 100. And then ml, milliliters. Excellent. So now we know our capacity. When the cup is full, capacity, how many milliliters?
100 milliliters.
Okay, so down. Now, what shall the volume be? What shall the volume inside the cup be? 50. Okay, so 50 is a good amount because 100 milliliters is at the top. What's half of 100?
50.
So that means where is the volume going to be?
Oh.
Half. So can you write your water level here too? Write a line across. This will be our volume here. what you can do. So we have our volume here. And then volume V, O, oh, no, you need to write it here next to the V, O, L, U, M, E. And what's our volume down? 50 milliliters. So you need to write 5, 0, 5, 0. And then, not forgetting, ml. Excellent. Very good. So now, what is the what is the capacity of the cup? The capacity of the cup is 100 milliliters. But what is the volume inside the cup? The volume inside the cup is 50 milliliters. Excellent. High five. And a round of applause for Chu. Well done, everybody. Well remembered. So that was a recap of the previous lesson, how we learnt about the relationships between capacity, how much something holds, and the volume, how much of something. And you can see the capacity is always at the top. Volume is inside, can never be more. So well done, guys, that was excellent. And now we've got a video song and a PowerPoint presentation so we can learn a little bit more about capacity and volume. So let's all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen. So now, welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video song about the different types of units of volume and also the PowerPoint presentation, how we can work out capacity and volume in relation to each other. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by rotating our wrists. Let's move our wrists. And then let's go back. Go the other way. Can we go one forward, one back? And then change. Very good. And then give our arms a shake. Hands on hips. Let's roll our shoulders. Today I have a sore neck, so I can't do too much with my neck. Stop, and now we'll go back. Go back. Stand up straight, and we'll rotate left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Back to the middle. Stand up straight. Let's look up. Let's look down. Look up. Look down. Left. Look right. Look forward. Down. Up. Left. Right. Forward. Excellent. And to finish, we will go down into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump! Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And now it's time to meet our friend. Can anybody remember the name of our friend? Mr. Peter Lita. So teachers, what you need to do is to print off a worksheet for all of your students. And the worksheet looks like this. You can see Mr. Peter Lita, but he's not ready yet. He's not being built. He's not put together. Our students will need scissors and they'll need glue. And what they need to do is to cut out the different parts of Mr. Peter Lita and then attach them on another piece of paper that you will give them. What you need to do, teachers, is open the PowerPoint presentation and have it as a visual aid for your students to see in the classroom. And then they can cut out the various parts and put them together. So give your students around 20 minutes for this activity because it involves cutting and gluing. And then we'll present our Mr. Peter Litas together at the end. So Nadia, welcome back to class. We hope your students have had a fun time designing their friend. And what's the name of our friend again, guys? Mr. Peter Lita. Excellent. And as you can see, all of my students have done a great job with their Mr. Peter Litas. So, that's all for today. And now, we'd like to wish you a good day and say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you again for the next lesson.